morning. So today is another day. This morning I'll be building my server. In fact, I'll be showing you guys how I build my server, how I implement my server. So this video will be the continuation of the previous video I made on how to start up Express Typescript node application. So if you haven't watched it, I advise you go back to watch the video. So I'll continue where I stopped, but in this video I'm just going to be building the server. So let's dive in and let's build it up together. So here is my folder. Here is my VS Code, and you can see I have my folder already, and this is the last this is where I stopped. So I've already implemented some features here. You can see here I have my .env file, and you can see my port is 3000 and Mongo part, which is the URL of the database. So you'll be putting that here. Your username to your database will be here, and your password to your database will be here. So this is MongoDB, but I'm not going to be using MongoDB, but I just put this so that you guys can see how you can connect your VS Code to your database, so that when you are writing your logic instantly, you can be testing them. So here I have my ESLint. You can see I've already configured that already. I'm using Eggman version 2020 here, and I'm saying it's TypeScript. And here is my rules. Although this, I'm just going to leave this for now. I'm not going to put anything. So also I've set up my pretty eye. You can see I said the tab should be 4, and I double code. I love double code so much. I so much love double code because I feel it make my code look nice, not single code. And I have semicolon to be true, this guy and this guy. So yeah, I also have my git ignore. You can see I have my bin folder here, which means that I don't want to push this bin folder to my GitHub, and I don't want to push my node module, which is this guy, to my GitHub, and the .env itself, I don't want to push it to my GitHub. I just only want to push my source code to the GitHub, and probably your own folder, if you're having more other file which you know that it's not necessary to be in your GitHub, you can add them here in your git ignore, so that automatically it will be ignored while you're running your deployment, while you are pushing to your GitHub. So that's all. Our TS config is okay. Actually, guys, don't mind this. It's actually okay. I'm going to restart it again. There's no error here for us. So back to our app.ts. So now we'll be writing our server. So the first thing we'll be doing is, first of all, we'll be importing Express from Express. So I'm going to say import Express. It should be small letter. Okay. So I'm going to clean up this guy, hit enter. So I'm going to say request. I'm going to say response. So I'm going to say next function. I have that here already. Though the last one doesn't really matter, but I will just include the application, which means this itself. And so we're having all this here, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to say, okay, before I do this, let me first of all import Express from Express. I'm going to say import Express from, that should be Express. So guys, I'm going to have this here. So I'm going to come down here and I will say import body parser. Okay, so you can see my VS Code is so smart enough to detect for me. So here I'm going to say const application. I'm going to call app function equals to the Express, and down here I'm going to say, okay, let me create my port const, then port, sorry, I'm going to be using capital letter here, dot equals to going to be equals to process. Let's process dot env dot okay, process dot env, yes, dot port. Okay, okay, let me have my capital letter here, and let me have my small letter here. Okay, no, sorry guys, this is, I think I'm still holding down the okay. So now I'm going to say or 3000. Okay, okay, that's it. So sorry guys, I'm actually doing some error somewhere. Okay, so it's going to be from here. That's from here. I'm going to say okay, yeah, that should be it. That should be it. Okay, that should be it. So coming here, now I'm going to say app.use, app.use, which means that I'm going to be calling my body parser. App.use, app.use body parser, .json. So app.use body parser .json. So it's going to be function and this here. So so what I'm going to be doing next is to call app.get. So I'm going to say so my v should be request sorry guys, request should be request response okay, let's queue here. And we have response okay, so let's here okay, so this should be oh sorry guys, I'm supposed to cover my guy here, and then this one here should be something else, sorry guys. Okay, and this is supposed to be capital letter. Okay, now you can see we're using so cover. Okay, so now we're going to say res dot okay, first of all send this thing to the status. So res dot send, because we are just going to show it in our page on page. I just wanted to show you res dot send. Let me just say hello my friends. So I'm going to leave this for now. Then I'll come down here. Although here I'm supposed to add my next function. supposed to add my next function, which is going to be comma, say next. Not specify. Let me specify the type. The type should be yes. See. Okay, guys. So this application is not actually necessary. That's why I said I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to explain what this next function does for us. But here, let's come down here. What we are going to say is that let me run create the URL itself where our server will be running. So here I'm going to say app.listing app.listing. So I'm going to have a port, then say function say equals to back. Okay, so I'm going to say console.log to the console. So I'm going to say console.log. This should be back tips, guys, because we're going to say server running on port. So now it's going to be this our port here. We're going to say server running on port okay. I'm going to say on port sorry import. Then I'm going to use my dollar sign again. Raise. Then I'm going to specify the port. So sorry guys, I'm having some error here. I think I'm making some mistakes somewhere. So in this here, I'm going to say something. And I like to write port is declared. So you cannot find port. Did you mean port? Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, I think it's not giving us this error. And then, okay, let's see what happens if I should cancel this guy and just run and start again. Let's see if this okay. It's telling us server running. So that means it actually worked. It says server running on port 3000, which we specify here. So now what I'm going to do is for me to copy this. Let's actually check, copy this URL. Now it's this port. Sorry guys. Okay, it's for me to go to localhost 3000. So let me go to localhost 3000 to see if I actually have my page running. So if I come here, see localhost 3000 slash localhost 3000 slash Okay, this is good. Oh, sorry, guys. I think I'm doing it. So you should look at 3,000. Cannot get something is wrong. So, mm, okay, guys. What will be happening here is that I want you guys to share your comments below. Our server is running, and I want to show you on our browser here. So share your comments below on how you can do that. So I've already figured out how I can do that, but I'm not going to do it right now. I just want to see your comments and see your feedback. Just share your comment to me, then I'll know if you are right or you are wrong. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this is very helpful. Or it's telling us here that our server is running on port 3000, which means our server is actually working fine without any issue. So just share um, your thoughts, share your mind in the comment section. So we'll talk together and discuss on it. So thank you guys for watching.